Saigon, District 2, I think. I think we're in An Phu district or An Phu ward of District 2. I'm not exactly sure. But I was on this long drive here. I got pretty hungry. And I saw this hủ tiếu 76. So let's see what they have here. Chào chào anh, chào chị. Lấy một tô hủ tiếu.
Thứ mì anh. Thứ mì.
Chào. So hủ tiếu có gì? Có giò héo hả?
Ok, giò heo.
Giò héo và
bò viên.
Bò viên được. Yeah.
Trứng cút.
Trứng cút được. Okay. So we got giò héo, which is the pork knuckle. That's this thing right here. The bò viên right here, yeah. And the trứng cút, quail egg. So meatball, quail egg, pork knuckle. Yeah. Okay, được. Got some lettuce, and it's kind of cool. Just she got the bean sprouts. Yeah, dude. And then yeah, you can just sit out here on the on these stools. The wind is howling right now. Probably messing my hair up a little bit, but không sao. Oh, okay. Sure. I guess I'll sit over here. Probably use 2 chairs here. Interesting eatery they have here. I would assume this place is not going to be super expensive. Seems like a very humble establishment. Chị có trà đá hay nào không? Trà đá ở đây không? Okay. So we got some iced tea. I feel a little bit tired today, guys. Get a little iced tea in me. Chị bán hủ tiếu ở đây bao lâu rồi? Bao nhiêu năm rồi? 6 years? Cool. Chị tên gì? What's your name?
My name
Thí à?
My name is medical.
Oh, medical, huh? Okay. Cái tô này là tô của tối không? Okay. Tô của tối không huyết. Yeah. No blood cake for me, please. That iced tea is hitting the spot right now. The spot is being hit. You see here, a little bit interestingly, the ground is not really even. So it's a little bit of like a, I don't know, adventure kind of sitting on it. Sitting in it, sitting on it. I don't know which one. But yeah, you got the hủ tiếu with a beef ball, giò héo, and quail eggs. So we'll see how that looks and turns out. Okay. Đồ ăn đến rồi. We got the food. And we're gonna get a little bit more iced tea. I'm thirsty. Khát nước. Thirsty, thirsty. It's relatively peaceful here. You've got kind of the background of crazy Saigon traffic, but you've got kind of this little peaceful refuge of park. It's kind of nice. I like that dichotomy. But we're thinking about other things now. We're thinking about eating this tiếu with a già héo, chum cút. So già héo, pork knuckle, chum cút, quail egg, salad, thịt heo, just pork meat, and bò yin, the beef ball. I need một chén. Chị ơi, có một chén. Có một chén không? Một chén. À, cảm ơn nha, cảm ơn em. Little bowl. Little bowl for to put some dipping sauces into. So we'll do a little bit of we'll just do a little chili sauce. That'll be fine. I dropped a napkin on the ground. No napkin left behind. Get some chopsticks. Couple of sticks. And a spoon. So, without further ado, well, actually, let's further ado this. I'll put some lime in. I can always pay it. I can get you guys on a pay. There we go. Should we mess around and put a little ut in there? Shoot. Y'all got me tripping on some ut. What's up with that? Yeah, the satay, huh? We're not gonna do the satay. I got a little bit of a foul stench when I opened the satay. So not into that. But that's alright. First things first, let's eat the già héo. Già héo. I think that's probably better in terms of the pronounce. Alright. Very fall off the bone tender in terms of the skin there. Standard già héo. They had, I'll try to show you at the end of the video if they're still open. They have this interesting barber shop over there, where it's just kind of like a truck that they set up, and they have like a food truck, but for a barber. It was called Dom Thai Barbershop, East-West Barbershop. Let's get that skin, that ring of skin. Dip it in some chili sauce. Skin's always gonna be good. I wonder, like, it's very windy. So I hope the audio holds up for you. Let's try the noodles out. Not like the best or freshest noodles I've ever had. Give the ball bean a shot. I like the ball bean. When do I not like it though? And the other ingredient, chum goop. Really. A good quail egg. Some rogue trying not to litter as much as possible. Some rogue bones in there. I'm not sure if that's from the hail or what it's from, but I've got like rogue little pieces of bones in there that I gotta pick out every once in a while. It is encouraging though. This place, it has people eating at it. I'm not the only one. And that's always a validating and an encouraging sign. Despite this being in a relatively random spot, I would describe this as fairly random. Here in An Phu, An Hai, District 2. I wanted a quick meal. I was driving, I was hungry. I accomplished my goal to that end. But I will say, I've got to add something to this. Like, let's get a little bit of soy sauce in there. Let's get some chili sauce in there. It's a little bit bland, I gotta say. Just a little bit meh. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not like, it's convenient. It's sort of like when you're driving to, I don't know, wherever, long drive and you see like a McDonald's or a Jack in the Box, and you're like, all right, I'll pull over there and get a hamburger. I know it's not going to be the greatest in the world, but you know, you just eat it. I got a little pork piece in that bite. That was decent. That could have saved the whole dish. I'm being real with you. You want me to be real? Be real, son. Be real. I was thinking like 5s on this, but that pork piece, that might have taken it up into the 6s. Rogue bones in there. Rogues. Get that out of there. So she's been here selling this stuff for a while. It's an interesting little proprietorship. Is that what you? I don't know. Another rogue bone. I don't know what's up with that. Maybe I'll get this Yahoo piece out of here. Well, it accomplished its goal. Noodles, I would like to see a little bit more freshness. They do have a little bit of that crunch bite through, not crunch, but like plump bite through that you like in a tiếu. The Yahoo, the skin was fall off the bone tender, but they just didn't. It was standard. It was just baseline. The pork piece I liked a lot, but I don't know, something about the dish just seemed a little bit mundane. I gotta keep it real with you guys. I'm not just gonna say every single meal is good, because then you're not gonna believe the ones that are good. It gives no credibility. And you can't spell credibility without edibility. Yeah. I don't know where I'm going with that. The pork piece saved it. I like the beef ball. 6.1. And that's probably being a little bit generous. Let's get some more cheddar and tinh tàn. We have anything? We're good over there. Chị, tinh tàn. Ba mươi à? 30.000. Cảm ơn nha. So this place is called Tieu 76 76 here on Nguyen Thi Tân in An Phu in District 2. Let's get something to drink. Let's get like a chayo. Like a cha đao is fine. That's fine. Chào chị. Có cha đào không? Dạ, lấy một ly à. Một ly trà đáo là bao nhiêu? 20. Okay, so 20,000 Vietnam dong. The last place 30,000. That was about $1.25, $1.30. This is about 80 cents, 85 cents. Cha đao mang đi à? You can see all the traffic going on here. This little intersection. Look at the dog over here. Hello. But yeah, this little intersection seems to be kind of bustling. Time later. Come on, yeah. All right. And let me see if I can show you guys that barber shop. Or if you want, I'll take you to the candy shop. No, I won't. I'm not even gonna sing the next lyric, it's just weird. Let's get the drive. Let's get view SMR of the drive. This is totally safe. Nothing unsafe about this. Little view SMR for you. All right, this is the place I was talking about, this barber shop here. So let's go make some inquiries. Đông Tây Barber Shop. Chào hai người. Hai người có cắt tháp ở đây bao lâu rồi?
2 năm.
2 năm rồi hả?
Dạ vâng.
Cắt tháp ở đây là bao nhiêu tiền?
Dạ 80.
80 à? Okay, so 80,000 Vietnam dong to get your hair cut here. They've been here for 2 years already. All right, cool. Good job, guys. I like it. Cái này là đẹp à? Phòng đẹp. Nice room. Like the decorations on it. And they got a little car too. So if you want, bring your kid or your tiny friend, they can sit in the car and drive. Vroom vroom. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys. I thought that was a cool looking barber shop. Anyways, let's end it here with a nice view of the swamp. Show you the Saigon traffic one more time. I forgot to taste the Chad Ao and let you know how it tastes. Hold on. Taste SMR. Everything is SMR. Solid, sweet, refreshing on a hot day. .9. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel to support the growth, and leave any comments you have. I'm really happy to hear from y'all, and I will see you all in the next vlog. Peace.